Welcome, in front of me is DELL Latitude 3520, and in this video I'm going to show you how to record screen on this laptop. So in order to open the screen recording menu, you can either use a combination of Windows plus Shift plus R buttons, or alternatively you can press print screen button and then switch to the record option right here on this bar. And once you select the record option, simply select an area of your screen that you want to record. You can reshape, resize this area by dragging the sides and the corners of it. You will see two new icons right here. This one unmutes your microphone and this one mutes your system audio. Now to start the screen recording, click right here. Give the Snipping Tool all the accesses. And now, if you want to pause your video recording, click the pause icon. To stop it, click the square, red square icon. And to erase video without saving it, click the trash bin icon. Now let's stop the video by clicking the red square icon. And right here you can watch the full video that you recorded. You can trim it by clicking trim right here. You can edit it in clip champ by clicking right here, and this icon saves the video. To find your video, you gotta go to the file explorer, then select videos folder, then go to screen recordings, and in screen recordings folder there will be your video. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.